Through every season, you've held the line. A heart of courage, a soul that shines. The road ahead is wide and free. Your story's still unfolding beautifully. 60 and strong, your spirit's alive. Every dream is still ready to thrive. The best is here, the best is near. 60 years bold, your brightest year.
Happy birthday, Tita Mildred.
Happy birthday po, tita. God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Tita. God bless po.
Mwah.
Hmm.
Ingat po kayo dyan lagi.
Good morning, Auntie Mildred. Happy 60th birthday. May this day filled with abundance, blessings, love, and joy. Welcome to senior citizen era, pero Gen Z pa rin. Thank you for all the guidance for all these years. Hindi ka lang basta-basta auntie, ikaw din ang emotional support ng bawat isa. You are always been a good listener sa amin. You also give the best advice, and you are natural. Your heart is pure, your intentions is superb. You are who you are. A great mother, a loving daughter, a helpful sister, supportive lola, and a very good citizen. Life is not perfect, yet you always make the best out of it. A very much thank you and a greeting of a happiest birthday. God bless you always, Auntie Mildred. Greetings from Manila with love.
Hi Lola, happy 60th birthday. Wishing you all the best in life and you deserve all the happiness and blessings sa buhay mo ngayon dahil isa ka pong mabuting tao. Praying na more birthdays to come pa po sa buhay mo, Lola. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Auntie, happy birthday. Wow, it's good to give thanks to our Father God Almighty kasi inabot mo ang dual citizenship in this world. Kidding aside, ako'y nagagalak dahil naabot mo ito. Senior citizen ka na and enjoy the 20% off sa lahat-lahat ng iyong bilihin dyan sa atin ngayon. Napakalaking bagay yan dahil sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin. Pangalawa, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa iyo sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa family ko, especially sa pag-accompany kay Lian, and higit sa lahat sa palaging may quick loans ako sa iyo. Pero mind you guys, hindi po siya nagpapa-interest. Maraming salamat, Auntie. I pray that God will give you all the thing that you hope for, filled with joy, happiness, and love that you deserve. Maraming salamat, Auntie. At sa muli, maligayang kaarawan. God bless. I love you. In behalf of my 3 children, Andrea, Lian, Aris, and Brian, wish you all the best. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Tita Mildred. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many more wonderful years ahead. May God bless you always, keep you safe, and enjoy your special day. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear pretty Lola Mildred. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lula Mildred. You have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and God bless you always. We love you. Blow kisses.
Ate, happy birthday. Wish ko on your 60th birthday, more celebrations, more happiness, more bonding with family and friends. Keep in touch always. Ingat palagi. Miss ko na kayong lahat dyan. Again, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, friendship. Kumusta na kayo? Happy birthday, friendship. Naway, pagpalain ka palagi ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Na sana humaba pa ang buhay mo. Matupad mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay na magagandang pangarap. Kailan ka pupunta dito sa Taiwan? Sana makapunta ka bago ako umuwi. I love you. Miss na miss ka na kita. Miss na kita. God bless you.
Hello, happy birthday Tita Mildred. Enjoy your day. You deserve naman kasi napakabuti niyo pong tao. I love you, miss you.
Hi, Ate Mildred. Miss you. Happy birthday. Miss ka namin. Tagal-tagal na hindi tayo nakikita. Punta ka na dito sa Taiwan. Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, friends.
Happy birthday, Ate Mildred. Miss you.